everyone in Paris is thanking you. For example, I am thanking you from Paris to Italy to somewhere, I think Seattle, to London, to your birthday party, to San Francisco, to the mall, to jail, to most wanted pictures, and finally to outer space. So, like I said before, everyone in Paris is thanking you for everything. And we're also blaming you for not getting somebody a cell phone.